Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Getting in some self-care is a lot easier thanks to this awesome facial device. This is by iFae, and this is a complete unit that I can use all from the comfort of home. The unit itself is really pretty. It's a fuchsia pink and it comes with a coordinating case and it comes with the cord so that you can easily recharge it. You don't have to have a plug to use this unit. The unit itself is really easy to use. So it's very easy to grip onto, and I really like that the faceplate is nice and flat so that I can really take my time and get into sending those wonderful microcurrents into my skin. It has a low level that I can use around my eyes, and then it has two other functions that help me with anti-aging when it comes to small wrinkles, fine lines, as well as sun damage that I might see on my face. I really like that the unit sends tiny little pulses. It does not feel painful at all, but rather I can just take a little bit of self-care at the end of the day and I can really apply this to my skin. I'm finding that it helps my skin to feel a lot smoother, and after I use it, I can apply my serum or whatever I use at night, and I'm really feeling like I'm getting some nice anti-aging benefits from it. The unit packs away so that I could use it when I travel, and I really appreciate that they enclose a book that really goes into how long you can use each function, as well as what each of them does. So they really have done their research in helping you to be able to do all that you need to do right from home. But that's just my point of view.